What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen not responding to touches issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this circle, and when it gets green then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the screen not responding issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then if you have installed any screen protector to protect your screen, then remove that protector and clean your screen with a clean cloth. And after cleaning your screen, the screen not responding issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after this, then check for the software update. So to check that, open settings. Now in settings, tap on about phone. Now here tap on software version, and after that it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any available update, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating your phone, the screen not responding to touches issue will be fixed in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.